Singapore is a small island nation located at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula. Historically, Singapore was a fishing village before becoming a British trading post in the 19th century. In 1965, Singapore gained independence and rapidly transformed into a global financial hub. The landscape of Singapore is a unique blend of urban development and natural beauty. Gardens by the Bay is one of Singapore's most iconic attractions, featuring futuristic super trees. Singapore is also home to beautiful beaches, such as those on Sentosa Island. To get to Singapore, you can fly into Changi Airport, which is consistently ranked among the best in the world. Once in Singapore, public transport is efficient, with options like the MRT and buses to explore the city. Welcome to our tour of Singapore, where adventure awaits at every corner. First up, we have Gardens by the Bay, Singapore's most iconic attraction, where trees are taller than your average giraffe. Thus, futuristic trees are not just for show. They actually help cool the area and collect rainwater. Talk about multitasking. Next, let's hop over to Sentosa Island, where you can soak up the sun, sand, and maybe a few too many ice creams. Sentosa is packed with attractions, from Universal Studios to underwater aquariums, perfect for kids and kids at heart. Finally, we arrive at the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a peaceful oasis and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, nature's version of a spa day. Here you can stroll through the orchid garden and pretend you're in a floral fairy tale. Just watch out for the bees. So, whether you're a nature lover, a thrill seeker, or just someone who enjoys a good ice cream, Singapore has something for everyone. Let's talk about food. Singapore, where the food is so good, even the chopsticks are jealous. First up, we have Hainanese chicken rice, the dish that makes you question if you really need anything else in life. This dish is so popular, it's like the celebrity of Singaporean cuisine. Everyone wants a selfie with it. Next, let's dive into laksa, a noodle soup that's spicier than your last relationship. Laksa is so flavorful, it could probably win a debate against a politician. Now we can't forget about satay, those delicious grilled meat skewers that are basically the life of the party. These skewers are so good, they could convince a vegetarian to reconsider their life choices. So, whether you're a foodie or just hungry, Singapore's culinary delights are waiting to be devoured. Let us do a brief rundown. Singapore, where the skyline is so stunning, it makes your selfies look like they were taken by a professional photographer. First up, Marina Bay. It's like the city decided to throw a party and invited all the best buildings. Don't forget to snap a pic with the Malayan, Singapore's very own half lion, half fish mascot, because who doesn't love a good fishy selfie? Next, we have Gardens by the Bay, where the super tree grove looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. If only they could serve us coffee. These trees are so tall, they could probably give King Kong a run for his money if he ever decided to visit Singapore. Finally, let's dive into Singapore's cultural neighborhoods, Chinatown, Little India, and Kampong Glam, where you can eat, shop, and learn without breaking a sweat. In Little India, the colors are so bright, you might need sunglasses just to look at the buildings. Seriously, it's like a rainbow exploded. And Kampong Glam, it's the perfect place to get lost in history. Just don't ask for directions from a cat. They tend to be unhelpful. Let's talk about Singapore's rules, where the do's and don'ts are as important as the food. Do follow the queue, especially at food stalls. It's the law of the land, and trust me, the food is worth the wait. Do clear your tray after eating at hawker centers. It's not just polite, it's a way to keep the food paradise clean. Do respect cultural and religious places by dressing modestly. No one wants to see your beachwear at a temple. Now for the don'ts. Don't litter, because Singapore is cleaner than your average kitchen after a cooking disaster. Don't cut lines. Queuing is taken seriously here, and you might just find yourself in a queue for the next queue. And don't assume tipping is required. Many restaurants already include a service charge, so save your coins for the Merlion fountain. In conclusion, Singapore is a beautiful place to visit, blending modern attractions with rich cultural experiences.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.